Hello, dear English speakers. First thing first, I want to give you a very small task, and the task is first, pronounce the word yourself. And after pronouncing the word, compare your own pronunciation with the correct American pronunciation that I'm gonna give you in a few moments. Okay? So, pause the video for a second and then pronounce the word. Hope you have pronounced the word, and now I'm gonna give you the pronunciation breakdown here. Recipe. Recipe. As you're stressing on the first syllable, see how you should pronounce the first syllable a little bit longer as compared to the second or third syllable. Okay? Recipe. 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 That's it. If you pronounce the word in the same way as I pronounced here, then write this in the comment below. And if you have any other word that you want pronunciation breakdown, then write it in the comment below. I'll make a dedicated pronunciation breakdown video on it word too. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in improving your pronunciation, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative pronunciation tutorial, then subscribe to the channel right now. So, see you soon in the next video with another helpful pronunciation tutorial. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.